Hello children, welcome to the class once again. Today let us see chapter 2 Microsoft Access 2010 part 2. In this lesson basically it is the working of this or rather creating of form and creating of form wizard and so on. Just to go through and query means making questions. Just to go through the text and you'll understand, and to apply the criteria or given, just to go through it. Now let us see the question answers. First, question 1, fill in the blanks with an appropriate option. 1, form. 2, 3 is the first symbol. 4, middle option. 5, 6 layout. 7, it is style. 8, navigation bar. 9, query. 10, run. 11, question mark. 12, report. 13, 4. Next, question 2, say whether the following statements are true or false. 1, false. 2, true. 3, false. 4, false. 5, true. 6, false. 7, false. 8, true. 9, false. 10, also false. Now the question answer. Question 3, answer the following questions. 1, what is the use of form in Access? Answer page number 14 from here to here. 3.1. Question 2, what will you remember while designing form? Answer page number 15, second paragraph from here to third line, new records. 3.2. Next, third question, which is the bottom line of form? Explain its uses. Answer page number 15, third paragraph, the bottom line of the form from here to end of the paragraph, add new records. 3.3. Next, fourth question, what is query in Access? Answer page number 16, query title, start from the beginning to second line, different tables. 3.4. Next, fifth question, write any 3 points to remember while writing criteria for query. Answer page number 18, remember the following points while writing criteria for query. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points are there. Learn all. 3.5. Next, 6, what is the use of the single question mark and star wildcard characters? Answer page number 18, use of wildcard characters. First paragraph, fourth line, here is the question mark represents any single character and its place, and star represents any number of characters. This much. 3.6. Next, 7, what is parameter query in Access? Answer page number 20, parameter query title, this first paragraph. Parameter query is designed to becomes the criteria. 3.7. Question 8, explain the use of single right arrow and double left arrow sign in creation of report. Answer page number 21. Come to the bottom. You can use the single right arrow sign to include selected field, and you can use from there to all the field till here mark 3.8. Next is question 4. Write the criteria for the following. 1. To see the records with the first character as K, single unit comma K star single unit comma close. This is the answer. 2. To see the records with the second character as A, single unit comma question mark A star single unit comma close. This is the answer. Number 3. To see the records with the last character as H, single unit comma star H single unit comma close. That is the answer. Number 4. To see the records with the second and third character as K and S, single unit comma question mark K S star and single unit comma close. 5. To see the records with the second last character as T, unit comma question mark rather star T question mark unit comma close. To see the number 6. To see the records with the date between 14th October 1969 and 17th February 1970. Greater than or equal to hash 14/10/1969 hash smaller than or equal to hash 17/2/1970 hash. This hash symbol is for the date. Before writing the date, you have to write this symbol, hash symbol. This is the answer. 7. To see the records with the marks between 0 and 35. Greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than or equal to 35. This is the answer. 8. To see the record with the birth date before 16th May 1995. Smaller than or equal to hash 16/5/1995 hash close. This is the answer. 9. To see the records with the result field yes, no as fail. Less than or equal to 35 in marks column, in the column where you write the marks. That is the answer. 10. To see the records with the price smaller than or equal to smaller than 100 and NOP greater than 50. Smaller than or equal smaller than 100 in price column and greater than 50 in NOP column. This is the answer. And question 5, this is to be done in the this is the record work. This you have to create in your computer. This is the practical exercise, and if you have a computer you can try doing it. So this is what we have in this lesson 2. Write the answers in a notebook and learn them also. Thank you.